Sometimes in this game, I just want to stop playing and admire for a few seconds. Who doesn't want to be a blacksmith in this game? It's just awesome. Yeah, anyway, if you're wondering where to find the blacksmithing profession trainer in Wrath of the Lich King, in WoW Classic, in Dalaran City, I will show you exactly where I'm located. Let's see, where is the guy? This must be the guy, the one who doesn't wear a shirt? Oh, you wear a shirt. Anyway, this is the grand profession trainer of blacksmithing things. Man, I'm not into this profession. I'm a tailor and I want to stick to tailoring. So let's see on the map. Oh, you have to get to Dalaran, which is right in Northrend, Crystal Song, Dalaran, and of course Magnus Commerce Exchange. The first purple building on the right is the location. You guys, if you can help me to equip my paladin, I can help you with cloth items as I'm a tailor. I will be more than happy and I really need those items if you are a blacksmithing. However, don't forget to smash the like button and have a good day.